Hey, hi again. I guess so. Yeah, another video. This one is the unboxing of this power supply. So this is a really good power supply. Actually, throughout my research for all the different components, like what should I pick, what should I choose, the most confusing part, or the one I struggled most with, was the power supply. So as we all know, there are some standards, like you need to look for 80 plus gold, bronze, and all that. So the basic knowledge is that you should always go for 80 plus gold. Those are a really good power supply. But then there's another stuff which says these ratings are just numbers and they don't really mean much. What exactly matters is the tier of the power supply. So I researched through that, and there was Excel sheet, I guess, which had a lot of power supplies listed within it, and there were ratings for each power supply. So yeah, it was a very big, very big Excel sheet. So it was really hard to find a power supply which was there and rated good and was available on Amazon or Flipkart. So yeah, that was really hard, and for a good price, that too. So basically this power supply, this is listed on Amazon for approx 14,000, I guess, maybe 13,000 on this date when I'm recording this video, that is 20th December. So yeah, this is expensive on Amazon, I guess. I got this from an offline market from Mumbai. I got this for 11,000, as I already shared in my previous video. So yeah, I'd say if you're looking to get a power supply, 850 watt, really good power supply, A plus tier. I think this one is A tier or maybe A plus tier. I'm not sure between those two, but yeah, both works, both are good. So if you're looking to get one of these, I would suggest look into your local market if it is accessible to you, because yeah, online prices are bonkers right now. This is listed for 14,000 plus, but I got this for 11,000. Okay, so there are a hell lot of cables. I don't even know any of these. So yeah, this says type A, but I don't think this is visible. Whatever. This is CPU cable. This as well. I don't know. Let's leave these out. I'll look what these cable are for, what they're used for, and maybe I'll say that in the build video or stream. So yeah, now let me just put these aside. We've got, these are screws for PSU, so that's all in there. This is safety compliance information, which I don't think we need. So yeah, whatever. This right here is our PSU. Let me get this out. Okay, where do I put this? So yeah, here is our PSU. One thing I'd like you guys to know is my perception of sizes of these things was really not accurate. I wasn't expecting this as well to be this big. I've watched videos and all, so I wasn't really expecting it to be this big. This is bigger than my imagination. So yeah, I don't think how this will fit in the case, but yeah, I've done the research. The case accepts, I guess, 180 mm power supply. The maximum limit is 180 mm, and as much as I know, this is a 160 mm power supply. So I don't think we have a problem. So there's this cool thing about this power supply. You got a dedicated knob to for the fan. Basically, you can manage the speed of fan through this knob manually. So yeah, that's a cool thing, I guess. And yeah, nothing else to show. These are the power connectors. So this is motherboard. These are SATA connectors. This is 12 cross. This is for GPU, I guess. And then we have these CPU PCIe connectors. So yeah, this is a really good power supply, I'd say. Okay, I didn't really needed a 850 watt power supply for this build. The rated watts were 750. So basically, if I had gone for 750 watts, that would have been enough. But I wanted a headroom just in case if I wanted to upgrade or anything. So I just bought this one. So really good power supply, I'd say. And yeah, that's it. We're gonna pack this up. And please guys, if at this point I've already got most of the things, so I don't think there's much point in getting your suggestions about the parts. But anyways, I'd love to hear if I've made any wrong choices, or maybe I could have gone for some another component that would have been better, or maybe by getting some other components I could have saved some money while not compromising with the build. Actually, a lot of these products are still on return period, so if there's something I'm doing wrong, if there's any component that I've picked wrong, not a good idea or waste of money or anything, please do let me know. Maybe I can get it replaced for what's more accurate, what's more good, or whatever. But yeah, I've done a lot of research from my end, but again, I'd love to get opinions from all of you, what you think, what we should do and all that. One more thing, this channel is not really going to be an unboxing channel, so this is going to be a gaming channel. I'm gonna be streaming games on a daily basis, I guess. But yeah, since I'm building the PC for the first time, so I thought maybe I should share my experience. Maybe this will motivate some of you to risk your 2.5 lakhs worth of components while experimenting, like making your own build without any prior knowledge or experience. So yeah, I've heard from a lot of guys this is gonna be a really good experience, life-lasting experience building your own PC, especially Henry Cavill, I guess. But yeah, we'll see how it goes, whether it goes kaboom or everything goes well. So yeah, thank you again, and please do share your opinion. And yeah, I'd love if some of you come to watch the live stream. I don't really want to do a live stream where no one is watching, but yeah, please do support me. So thank you. I'll see you guys in next video, and we'll let you know when my cabinet and CPU cooler arrives. So basically the only wait is for the CPU cooler. If I had gotten that, then maybe we could have started with the build. But yeah, I guess both of them will be delivered on the same time, so we'll let you know. See you. Bye.